I forget what I was gonna say. But anyways, let's continue on with this here mob grinder. I just have to wait for that there iron to smelt, and then we'll be good to go. Oh no, we have. Oh, come on, Rick. We have some iron that we collected from that chest, plus the few that we had in our bags. So let's place that there. Let's put this there, and oh no, no, we're after a pick. Man, oh man, did I not sleep well last night? And we need some sticks. Come on, man. Nothing's agreeing with us today. Okay, there's our sticks for our picks. Aha. Alright. We're game now. So, basically we're just going to try and clear away all this cobblestone, and we're going to see how this goes. That's all cleared up on that wall. Mine, 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 all day long. Mine, 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 while I sing this song. Alright. Let's collect the rest of this here mossy cobblestone. That's like one of my favorite textures in the John Smith resource pack. It's really handy, and it's not really HD, it's just more like high definition standard quality. It's a 32 by 32, I think. And when you say 32 by 32, I think it's pixels. I'm not too sure, I just like the pictures and the textures, that's all. Alright. This is gonna be epic. We got ourselves our mob grinder. We'll be able to get our levels nice and easy. We'll make it so that hey man, come on, I'm trying to work here. I mean, Jesus, don't die. Oh, okay, it's getting a little too dark, I think. Yeah, and we're getting hungry, man. Now I got meat stuck in my teeth again. Yeah, I forgot about it, that when you open up a bigger portion of the room, it kind of makes corners dark, so then it gives these bastards the time to spawn. There it is, there it is, there it is, coming up to the final one. Oh, oh, oh. Can't have that. We need more there. Alright. Alright. Now we got some coal in the floor. I'm gonna mine this stuff up, get in my belly. Oh, level 10. Wow. And we never even did nothing yet. That iron should be done by now, so we're gonna run up there and we're gonna see what we can see. Hopefully it's all done. We fill this back in so it doesn't make a spawning area for spiders or anything stupid like that. Affect our spawn rates, man. Okay, up this way. Jump up here. It should be finished. Yeah. 19. Okay. So the first thing that we're going to make is our biggest piece, and that's the chest plate. Bam. We'll throw that bad boy on. Yep. Haha. Creepers are gonna hate running into me now. Put these on. And how are we doing? Okay, we're gonna need another pick before we get too carried away. So we'll put that there, there. And here's our 3 for our pick. I think we can make ourselves one more piece of gear. One more piece of gear and we're good to go. What do I not need? Seeds. Get out of my life. Get out. Okay, and this one we're going to make some pants. Do we have pants? Did I make pants? I think we made pants. So, let's try boots. I know for sure we didn't make boots. And cobblestone, get out of my life. And string, get out of my life. It's like a hard girlfriend that you can't get rid of, man. Alright, we have no other iron to cook. We gotta start setting down these chests. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this furnace. Oh, all that coal spilled everywhere. And this crafting table. Actually, we have a crafting table down there. And we never picked up our furnace. So seeds, get out of my life. String, get out of my life. Alright. This is going to be epic. We're basically going to be basing our home around this mob grinder. Because this mob grinder is going to be pretty much everything to us in this series. Just for the fact that it's free experience, man. Like, and bone meal too. So whenever we get food, I mean, I want that potato, but I can go find a desert somewheres and maybe just grind out some zombies the old-fashioned way, right? Okay, now that that's done, we are going to find ourselves a some water source, and we're going to make ourselves an infinite water source. So that way, we're going to need that and a lot of signs. So maybe we should go get some more wood, because we're most definitely going to need that wood. I can just see it now. Alright, and it's daylight. I don't know how much longer, but we got it, man. We got it. Oh, and look, we have our water source right here. Alright. Let's make our little storage room here. So we're going to put wham, wham. Cobblestone, get out of my life. I think that's it. Maybe one of these. And that's it. Yep. Alright. So, get our buckets here that we found in the dungeon. One there, one there. Now we have our 2 water sources, which will make a infinite water source. And with the infinite water source, it's just like it says. You'll be infinitely proud. I think we should open this up. Yes, I think we should open this up. Just to have it so we can work a little bit better. Wham, wham, wham. Alright. Continue on with this one. Just a few more. And bam, we're done. Okay. So, we gotta have our water source somewhere around here. So I think I'll just make it right here, man. Why not? I'll just like that. Right there. And right there. And there's our infinite water source. Okay, so now I'll pour one here just to see how far this water stretches out. Okay, perfect. So basically how this is going to work, it's going to stop here. It's going to push these mobs into this little ditch here. And I'm going to have it push them away, I think. So that goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's have it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the wall will go right here. Alright, it doesn't really matter what the wall is made out of. Just as long as it's covering your ass. Alright, let's have that here. Bam, 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 bam. Almost done. Have that here. Wham. We'll take this. We'll put that there. Good stuff. So now, can we... This is what I want to know. How far does this go? Okay, perfect, 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 perfect. Alright, have that there. Boom, boom. I think this is going to be our building block, because we ain't going to need much more building blocks. It's mostly going to be signs and everything else. So basically, the zombies are going to be pushed, or sorry, skeletons are going to be pushed. And this is going to be all sealed off. This whole wall will be, you know, sealed off. And they're going to get pushed into here. Let me just demonstrate it. Get up here. Come on. A little bit further. Alright, so I just spawned and I'm a zombie. So I'm, you know, trying to push this way and that way. And zombies are always semi-jumping and stuff. And it's going to push me right in here. And then it's going to continue on just a little bit further, break this block and that block, and that'll continue on the stream. And I think we have that and that there like that, or this one blocked, because we don't want them getting stuck. You know what I mean? One more, yeah. Alright, so about here we are going to block that off. Okay. This is actually the first time I create this mob grinder. We're going to be here and there. And yeah. Alright. Okay. Alright. Then they're going to float straight up, and then I'm just going to guide them somewheres, and I think I'm just going to have it over here. You know, just have them fall somewheres around here, and have this up a couple more. I'm hearing zombies, man. Oh, that would be so awesome if we had ourselves a double dungeon. Wow, that would be epic. Okay, but for now, we've done a little bit of work on this. For now, I think I'm gonna call this episode. And, oh man, we need to make ourselves an iron helmet. But I thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. I'm going to be trying to have a video out every day. And if you have any suggestions for audio, video quality, please let me know in the comments or personally message me. I'm going to try and read as many comments and try and interact with you guys as much as I can. And as far as hosting and being monotone and all that, I'm trying my best. So let me know with any suggestions or anything like that in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.